Today we are going to explore Rifa Connect. We will know how to download and use the application. I'm taking you through the process as to how we can download the application and use it. First simple thing is we need to go to Google Play Store. Search Rifa Connect. And install the application. The application quickly downloads and you open. The moment you open this, download this application, you will be seeing this particular screen. For the first time user, you have to go to create new account. You have to enter your email ID or mobile number. I'm going to use my mobile number for this. Continue. You will be receiving an OTP for which you will need to have an active number where you can receive the OTP. Okay, once the OTP is successfully submitted, you will be landing on this particular dashboard where you will have to update your personal details. Now these details are very crucial because without this nobody will be able to search you, which we will get to know in a later on stage. So type your full name, okay, your mobile number, your email ID, your pin code. Now pin code is designed in such a way that आप अपनी पर्टिकुलर सिटी का पिन कोड डालेंगे एंड द सिटी एंड द स्टेट इज ऑटोमेटिकली डिटेक्टेड. Now I reside in Mysore, so I will just say 57001. So you can see it is already taken as Mysore and Karnataka, and you need to set your password. You can choose your password as per your wish. Okay, now you have an option of uploading your picture. So I will just go to my gallery. You can upload your picture from the gallery. I will select one photo. You need to agree to the terms and conditions of the site and next. So you will land on this particular screen where your data is being uploaded to the site and this is gone for an approval. So once you receive a approval, which is due to take between 2 to 4 hours, you can refresh and use it. For iOS users, you have to log into register.rifaconnect.com where you will have to pre-register your details before downloading the application. So once you log in, you will be providing your email ID or your mobile where you enter and wait for OTP. Once you enter the OTP is verified. Then you will get this details where you fill in all the details that is required, all the features, all the fields are filled. So once that is done, you will then go to App Store, download the iOS application of Rifa Connect, and you enter the same exact details as registered in the previous thing. Once the approval is received, you just have to go refresh it. Now you can see it is approved. Now this you will land on a particular screen where it says to complete your profile. Now this is very crucial. Before starting to use the application, your profile needs to be completed. So either you can skip or you can complete now. So I will just go to complete now, where I have different information. One is my personal information and one is my business information. So before uploading the logo of the business, I will try to fill in all the details of my business. So designation, I am a partner. whatever you are. If you are a proprietor, you can type as proprietor. If you are a partner, you can write as partner. If you are a CEO, you can write whatever designation you carry in your company. Now you can see Mysore is already filled, my state is filled, my pin code is already there. If it is not there, I can just go there and type my pin code 57001. Okay, I also have my website, that's www.blueexpanse.biz. Now you can see whatever the areas that are in red, that has to be completed. Now, about us section is where you write about yourself, not about the company. This about us section is where you write about yourself. It can be anything. Let's say I say I'm a fast learner, or whatever the tagline fits you. Okay. You also have a section where you can upload your social media details. You have LinkedIn, followed by your YouTube channel. If you have an Instagram page, you have a Facebook page of yours, you have a Twitter page, and you have your website details. Now this can be filled on later, but it is very crucial that you update these details. Now these keywords, where you can see this has to be completed, where people will be able to search you through your name, through your company name, or through particular keyword that you are. Let's say I am into brand management. Okay, and it has to be separated by using a comma. The moment you put a comma, the keyword will be added. I will say web development, and I'll use a comma. I say SEO, we provide SEO services, so that is added. General terming, I will say marketing, we also do marketing, keyword is added. Now you can move on to next. Now you have two different sections here which clearly defines you. One is your hobby and one is your interests. Hobbies are nothing but what you keep doing to in your leisure time, where you have a spare time, what you do. Let's say for an example, I play cricket, so I'll add cricket. I will, or I can have a broader perspective as sports. I love reading, so I'll type it as reading. Okay, these are the hobbies that I do. My interests are marketing, brand management, uh, coaching. These are my interests. My company name is Blue Expanse, which I have filled. Now here I have a business phone. Now we have two different options. One is my personal information, where I have provided my personal phone, and this is a business phone. Your personal number is never revealed to the audience. It will always be your business phone that will be revealed to keep the anonymity. 98011 is my office number. Now this section where you see is about us, about the company, where you will update details about your company. Let's say we help businesses to scale by implementing processes. Okay, now you can use up to 500 words to complete that process. I'm keeping it short just to explain you. Now here it comes business category. We have three sections. One is product, one is service, and one is both. Now let's say for an example, अगर आप कोई product बेच रहे हैं, or if it is a tangible thing, that then you can write it as product. If you are providing service, then you have to select a service. Now I will select service because I am into service. Then it says category. I will say advertising and media. Now service tab, I will say brand management. Okay, and update your profile. Now you can see my profile is completely updated here now. Now here is one more interesting story or area that needs to be completed. Okay, the moment you have completed this, just go to your company name and you can see a section here, product and services, view, manage. Okay, add services. This is nothing but your catalog where you will be able to showcase your product or services, where the other RIFA users can find you and inquire about your services. So let's say for an example, I will just go to add services. Here you have all the details. Let's say for an example, add service name. Let's say I am into website development. तो मैं यहाँ पे अपना प्रोडक्ट का इमेज भी लगा सकता हूँ. Website development, I can give a description about my services and I give it as save. Description required. Okay, we design effective websites which fetch your clients. तो मैंने यहाँ पे सेव दे दिया और ये प्रोडक्ट सेव हो गया. नाउ आई ऑल्सो कैन गो वन मोर हियर एंड आई कैन ऐड इट. से आई प्रोवाइड SEO services. Okay, I can add the image for it and I will say description, search engine optimization. I'm keeping it very short. You can provide the detailed description about your product and I will say save. Now here you can see I have added 2 successful products, that services that I provide, and that has been added. So this brings to completing your profile.